In a bid to avoid further divisions in the Odinga family, ODM party leader Dr. Oburu Oginga has convened a family crisis meeting this Sunday to iron out political differences over the fate and leadership of ODM party. The larger Odinga family has been divided over the future of the Orange Party since the death of Raila Odinga over 3 months ago. This coming days after Odinga's widow Ida Odinga accepted President Ruto's nomination to be Kenya's permanent representative to the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP. Will the meeting resolve the deep underlying issues within ODM party? Jeff Kirui with a story.
When the curtains fell on the former Prime Minister Raila Odinga, it marked the beginning of a turbulent ride not just for the ODM party, but also for his immediate family. The battle lines were drawn, pitting Raila Odinga's elder brother and the current party leader Dr. Oburu Oginga against Raila's immediate family, widow Ida Odinga, daughter Winnie Odinga and son Raila Odinga Jr.
Dereva amekufa, aliaga dunia. Kidogo kidogo wale walikuwa na keti mbele wamekimbia kwenye steering wheel, kila mtu anavuruta pande hii, mtu mwingine pande hii, pande hii, pande hii. Wametusukuma sisi kama abiria, wametusukuma kama magunia. Tuko nyuma.
The differences played out in public as the two camps held separate parallel rallies, Winnie Odinga in the famous Kamukunji grounds in Kibra and Dr. Oburu Oginga in Kakamega.
Winnie akisema ati Raila alikuwa hapo na sasa tutafute mwingine kusaidia kuendelesha hii broad-based government. Ninamwambia hiyo mtoto yangu tutaongea na yeye kinyumbani.
Baba alikufa juzi tu. Tulieni. Haraka ya nini bwana? Wacha tuongee kwanza. Simamisha hii basi kwanza. Wacha tuongee. Tuamue. Tusonge mbele pamoja.
At the time, Ida Odinga was seemingly aligned with the camp of her daughter Winnie Odinga that has been critical of the broad-based arrangement. President William Ruto nominated her as permanent representative to the UNEP. Political pundits argued that the nomination is a political game of chess to soften the hardliners who are critical of the broad-based arrangement.
William Ruto acted as cunning and as witty, in quotes, as he would get by dropping this bait. This appointment is insignificant, if you ask me, because an ambassador in UNEP answers to a PS in foreign affairs in the establishment of this government.
Will the Sunday meeting resolve the current differences within the Odinga family, or will it widen the rift?
That these ones are mourning and their cousins across, whose father is now the new party leader, are now running across town with speculation of them eyeing political seats. The question is, does that hold the wider family as one fabric? Your guess is as good as mine. That's why I think that this meeting on Sunday is coming too little, too late in the day, when the damage is already too big and actors are already so many.
A house divided against itself cannot stand, and therefore, if Jaramogi Odinga family is not united, then it is very likely that their political influence will be undermined.
Jeff Kirui, KTN.